We are going to learn about file and printer sharing without using username and password. First, let's do some setting on the server PC. So click on Start and type here Control Panel and select this Control Panel. After this, click on View Network Status and Tasks. After this, click on Sense Advanced Sharing Setting. After this, expand the private network. Make sure you enable network discovery, file and printer sharing on. After this, click on all network and disable this password protected sharing. Now let's share the folder. So open my computer and in F drive I have created a folder called testing. So right click on the folder testing and click on properties and click on sharing tab. After this, click on share and select everyone from the drop down and click on add and select read write from everyone and click on share. After this, click on done, then close all this. Now let's try to share the printer. So click on start, then click on control panel, then select control panel, then click on view device and printer and click on this printer and scanner. Click on the printer you want to share, then click on printer properties, then click on the sharing tab, then click on share this printer, then click on apply, then OK. Now restart the PC. This is the client PC. First let's do some setting on this client PC. So click on start, then type here credential and select this credential manager and click on Windows credential and click on add a Windows credential and here type the IP address of the server or the PC sharing the file and printer in the username type here guess and click on OK. Now let's try to access the file and printer. So click on start, then type run and select this run and type here // then IP address of the server or the PC sharing the printer, then click on OK. Now the share file and printer is visible here. Right click on the printer and click on connect. In this way we share file and printers.